May mga sitwasyon ba sa buhay mo na paulit-ulit yung nangyayari? I mean, are there certain struggles that keeps on repeating itself? Siguro iba yung tao na involved, no? Iba yung setting, pero parang pareha-pareha sila. It's as if yung mga nangyari 10 years ago, 5 years ago, nauulit sila sa buhay mo. Haven't you asked yourself bakit ganun yung nangyayari? Or do you just keep blaming faith? Ang malas ko naman, kasi ganito ako. But in reality, did you know that unlike in school nung nag-aaral ka, una yung lessons bago yung exams. And despite na una yung lessons, nababagsak pa rin tayo. Now, what more in life? Did you know the difference is that in real life, una yung exams bago sa lessons. Una yung exams bago sa lessons. That's why may mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, there are certain challenges that keeps on repeating itself because hindi mo pa natututunan kung ano yung lesson na dapat mong matutunan sa nangyari na yan. You might be wondering, no? Na coach, ano ba yung lesson dun? Puro hirap, dusa yung nakukuha ko dun. Sakit, right? All those pain and suffering. But in reality, life is teaching you something better. You just have to look at it in a different perspective. Kumbaga, kailangan mo lang i-reframe yung utak mo, yung sarili mo. Life is teaching you something that you can use to level up your life. That's why hindi mo ma-break yung barrier na yan kasi yung reaction mo, same at katulad pa rin. What do I mean by this? I mean, in that certain struggle, you end up repeating the same process or same reaction over and over and over again. Therefore, if you do that over and over again, what will you expect? Expect na same then yung results sa ginagawa mo. So, think about this. What do you need to do differently so that magbago yung resulta sa nangyayari sa buhay mo? What do you need to change within you, no? Or what do you need to learn from that experience, that struggle, that challenge, para hindi na siya maulit muli? Sometimes you just need to forgive. Sometimes you just need to let go. Sometimes you just need to release your pride and ego, no? Sometimes you just need to reach out. And the things that we learn here from these situations are designed to keep us safe and make us better. That's what's amazing dito because life is designed not to put you down, no? Hindi ka dinesign, hindi ka pinanganak para magdusa ka. Pinanganak ka to thrive and lumabas yung potential mo. Yung catch lang is that we were so trapped for hundreds of years, no? From all those nations that colonized us and installed in us all those beliefs na mali-mali. Kaya ngayon, mali-mali din yung pag-iisip natin. But I discovered that we can change all those. Hindi pa huli ang lahat. You just have to open yourself to investing more in yourself. Kasi yung nangyayari dito, lahat ng alam mo sa buhay mo right now, yung choices na nangyayari sa buhay mo are within all those things that you learn. Or all those things na alam mo. So what if you keep on learning more about yourself? You keep on learning tools and processes on how can we reprogram our mind and marirelease natin yung mga mental and emotional challenges natin. So therefore, yung mangyayari, dadami yung choices ninyo kasi magbabago yung takbo ng buhay ninyo. That's why it's so important that you also invest in your learning. Self-development is very essential because the more that you invest in yourself, the more you become self-aware, nakikilala mo yung sarili mo. And nakikilala mo rin kung ano yung mga nagsastop sa'yo sa tunay na potential mo. And what would happen? Imagine if finally you get clarity. No, you get clarity. Ito pala yung para sa akin. Ito pala yung dinesign sa akin. And you realize that you are the real actor of your life. Hindi ka lang supporting role. Ikaw talaga yung in charge sa buhay mo. And when you accept that you are in charge of your life, therefore, you can also change your life. If you want to know more, if you want to know the tools that nagamit ko, my students, and other people to change our life, feel free to reach out because I will teach you the tools and techniques that has helped me level up my life, help a lot of entrepreneurs and professionals level up their life. And what are these tools? Neurolinguistic programming, timeline therapy, all those modalities na kailangan mo para matapos na yung pinagdadaanan mo sa buhay mo and you get clarity in your life and the certainty to go after the life that you want. Hindi pa huli ang lahat. By the way, let me introduce myself. I'm Coach Jun Acevedo. I'm a certified neurolinguistic programming master coach and trainer. My mission to equip you with tools and techniques na magagamit mo para matulungan mo yung sarili mo at ibang tao na makuha yung buhay na matagal mo nang gusto. So stay tuned everyone, keep watching. I'll give value that you can use every day para magbago yung buhay mo.